Dashboard out, steering wheel off. As you can see, all the cabling still to go back into the dash is now done. Right, bit of a busy one today. As you can see, we've got the front dash, all the panels are back in now, painted and refitted. Some of these here just blacked over, same with the grills on the front that fit over the speakers. Easy touch to do that. And you have the down low panels back in. Also tied up the fuses underneath and fitted that all back in. Still working out what we're going to do with the front carpet. Doors, they were really bad. We managed to clean those up quite a lot. Worked on the sills as well today. Shed load of sanding done on there. Got the primer on, so hopefully tomorrow I'll be able to sand that back and then go over it with black. Moving on to inside. The panels all fitted back, and the lower section I've got some new studs and those are back in place. What I did here with the external electric is just put a small hole through so that will actually, idea being that it should, he says, pop out to reveal the electrics down there, and then line up. Try and work out what I'm going to do. We'll probably use some plastic plugs into the screw hole so that stops it from vibrating. Yeah, all the other panelling back in on the side, and both of the sliding doors. So left to go now is I've started to tidy up the last bit of the woodwork and the last outside runners. They've got to go back in. Obviously at the front there we've got a fair bit of work to go to put the stereo unit back in the dash. I've got some new lights to go in. I'm actually going to, for the time being, going to put the head lining back in. Probably not going to actually do the camper conversion. The reason is we bought a house and we need to get the deposit together for the move, so unfortunately camper is going to have to go. So we're going to end up fitting a seat back in up the front. We're going to put a rock and roll in at the back, go get it MOT'd, and see if we can get the conversion done on the V5 into camper. So hopefully that will bring down the car tax a fair bit, and then see if we have any interest at that. If not, fingers crossed we don't actually, then it's going to be a case of carry on with the conversion, go all the way through. But anyway, keep you posted, let you know. Cheers.